Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a good color correction in After Effects without using any plugin. First, you have to add new clips and add a new adjustment layer on top of your clips. And go to layer and new and choose adjustment layer. And select the adjustment layer and go to effect and present panel and search for sharpen. And add the sharpen effect to the adjustment layer and set the amount to 0 up to 40. And again go to effect and present panel and search for unsharpened mask. And drag the unsharpened mask effect to your adjustment layer and set the amount 50 down to 40 and the radius 1 up to 20. And again go to effect and present panel and search for exposure. And set the exposure to 0.3. And again go to the effect and present panel and search for CC Vigilante. And drag it onto your adjustment layer and leave the settings how they are. And again go to effect and present panel and search for curves. And drag it onto your adjustment layer. And I want to make this clip a little more brighter, so I'm gonna drag this line a little bit above the curve. And again go to effect and present panel and search for brightness and contrast. And set the contrast up to 20 and brightness up to 20. And again go to effect and present panel and search for saturation. Drag the hair saturation and put master saturation 0 up to 5. And you're done. And this is before and after results. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.